Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video we're going to do a random unboxing. I still have about 20 boxes of random things to unbox, whether it is Ipsy, BoxyCharm, Glamlight, Foodie boxes, actual orders I made. I see Colourpop, I see Game Beauty, I have a couple Walmart beauty boxes over here. I still have a lot. So this video is just going to be me unboxing a random box. I'm not going to do my makeup because I actually have to do some work things for the gun shop. So when I get back from there, I'm going to just wash my face. So this will probably be a 2-video day. I'll upload a video later of me doing my makeup, so that'll be fun. But this is going to be a BoxyCharm day. Now if you're new to my channel, I'm just a makeup enthusiast. Fucking love makeup. I got into makeup just about 2 years ago, and I'm also on a journey to uploading every day until February 5th next year. And actually today is the 6th of April, so that means I have uploaded every day for 2 months straight. So I'm actually pretty proud of myself. I've been having a lot of fun doing this, and I'm just glad that you've been on this journey with me. So anyways, so let's get into this box. This looks like it was probably a premium, BoxyCharm premium? Yeah, premium box. So let's see what it is. Definitely premium. Okay. Let's see if we have a card here. We do have a card, Bubbles and Glitz. I'm gonna imagine this was January. Does it say? I don't see. That's fine. So if I like the stuff in here, I will use this for my video, my second video later today. I don't know what time, but yeah, I'm trying to make sure I get my videos out at the latest by 10 a.m. every day, so that's why I say 10 a.m. So I'm just going to grab the first thing that I feel here out of the box, and this is an LMS product. This is Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. The future of eye care is here, featuring an innovative Cloud Light Gel formula. The serum-infused eye mask is clinically proven to minimize the appearance of wrinkles while helping to reduce the look of puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. And this retails for $82. So, what is it? Is this actual, like, mask, or is this just... Oh, so, okay, so we got a little thingy at the top here. It's so hard to get out. Okay, so it's tiny for the box. Okay, I thought maybe this was like actual pads, but no. Okay, I'm not going to open it because I already have a lot of eye stuff, but okay. Yeah, it's not actual mask, so I'm going to put that, throw that part of the box away, expect that. Okay, I have a lot of eye stuff, so I'm not going to open this yet. And or I might even put it in a giveaway. Okay, so the next thing I'm grabbing out is a Viseart palette. Oh, I think I remember this. Okay. Yes, Viseart Neutral Mattes. Okay, I remember this. There was like 2 different options that you could have gotten. You could have gotten this one, the neutral palette, or there was like a more purpley type one, I believe. But this says it's Viseart's all-time best-selling palette. This iconic, coveted professional eyeshadow palette can be used for shading, highlighting, and defining eyes, brows, and the contours of the face. A true artist's staple. And this retails for $80. Yeah, I think I was kind of like giving Boxy the side eye when I saw this, because I'm like, you don't send neutrals, what's wrong with you? But this is the palette. I will likely not, yeah, I won't even open this. I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway, honestly. Like, I have so many neutral palettes from Ipsy that I have touched, and even though I don't have any Viseart palettes other than this one now, yeah, I think I'm going to put that in a giveaway. It's just not my jam, you know what I mean? Okay, but that's cool. Okay, I'm just going to grab the next big thing here that I see, and this is True Plus Luscious Lucky Glow Palette. This Anytime, Anywhere Summer Essentials palette features ultra-fine textures and pure pigments in a sheer base to create a veil of luminous, skin-loving color. Wear each luxurious handcrafted shade alone or blend together for a customized look, and this retails for $46. Okay, bronze and highlight palette. Alright, we don't have a protector on here. And that's what she looks like. I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I do have a lot of these types of products. I think for right now I'm going to put this actually in the giveaway pile. because I have a lot of bronzers actually. I don't know why I have a lot of bronzers, but definitely highlighters. I have a lot of highlighters. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna grab is crown brushes, and funny about this, but anyways, let's read this first. So this says Crown All Eyes on You 5-piece luxe brush set. This 5-piece set provides all the necessary tools for the application of all eye makeup looks. The luxurious silky brushes deliver optimum and even coverage for a perfect finish every time, adding depth and definition to your look. And this says it retails for $34.95. Now, Crown brushes, I found out. Well, not I found out, but I think that they are also owned by Copycat Beauty, or they own Copycat Beauty. And then there's another one like Go To Beauty or something like that. Anyways, they ship out of Crown Point, Indiana. Crown Point, Indiana is like 2 towns away. The first time I made a Copycat Beauty order, or whatever it's called, Copycat Beauty, I think that's what it's called. I got that shit and like one day I'm like, wait a minute, what? Like, and then I read the return address, Crown Point, Indiana. I'm like, goddamn. So even this says Crown Industries, Crown Point, Indiana. Hilarious. Crown Brushes is also the one where like they were talking about how Morphe, like the story goes somehow that like Morphe privately labeled their brushes or something like that. So whatevs. So these are the brushes. Hopefully they don't smell. I could probably use these. I have tons of brushes though. Like, oh my god, maybe. Yeah, they don't smell at least like that other set. I might put this in the giveaway too, the giveaway pile. Okay, second to last thing we're grabbing is, what is this? Elizabeth Mott. It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. The volumizing mascara of your dreams. This mega volume long lash max curl mascara lasts all day with no smudge. It features flexible tubing polymers that coat each lash, making it wear, tear, and sweat resistant to hold lashes in place all day. This retails for $20. Okay, because it says the tube thing, I'm gonna keep this. This is gonna be for me. I have a lot of mascaras, but I've always wanted to try one of those tubing type mascaras, and I don't think I currently own any. So I'm gonna keep that. I'm not gonna open it though right now. But it's just, you know, basic packaging. It's got a bit of weight to it, even though it feels like it's just plastic packaging. That's cool. And then the last thing we're grabbing is a Fenty Beauty. And this is a Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. High octane pigment meets unexpectedly universal shades to complement all moods and all skin tones. An ultra slim lipstick with a long wearing, soft matte finish and weightless color intense shades, each designed to flatter all skin tones. And this retails for $18. Seen a lot of Fenty stuff actually in our boxes lately with BoxyCharm, so that's cool. And of course this is the iconic packaging. Look at this color. It's a nice color. Yep, I'm definitely keeping that. I like that color. It's like a berry. It's like a berry color, but I'm not going to swatch it right now. I'm just going to put that away. Yes, I'm definitely keeping that. I'm going to pause the video right now and we are going to see what the prices add up to for this. Okay, so I added everything up. This box comes out to $300.95 if you were to have bought everything separately. I really, gosh, it was so great, you know, learning that you could get full-size products out of boxes like these when I first started getting into makeup, because I had no idea what to buy. I had no idea what I wanted to buy. These makeup subscription boxes are just a fantastic way to introduce you to makeup. And this box right here, this one costs $35 a month from BoxyCharm. The base box costs $25 a month, both worth it. Luxe, not so much, but it's only 4 times a year. And just like with Ipsy though, the base bag is like, I think it's $13 now, which in my opinion is not the greatest because you only get little tiny sample sizes. If just a few dollars more, basically upgrade to $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products a month. So that one's better. But anyways, this is about BoxyCharm. But very good box. Again, not super interested in that Viseart palette just because I'm not a neutral bitch. But if you are, cool. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because, hey, you'll see that in the next giveaway then in the other half of the month. How about that? So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought about these products down in the comment box below. And just keep an eye out for later in the day because I will upload a video of me doing my makeup with some of these products and probably unboxing something else. I will talk to you later. Bye. So this video is just going to be blah. So this anytime, anywhere, somewhere, blah. Okay, so that one's gonna be mine. I'm gonna put that over there, and then the last thing we're grabbing. Okay. Okay, so I added everything up. This box should down in the description box.